Lesson 16.3, Law of Sines and Area of Triangles of a Triangle continues. In this video, we will use the law of sines to find all possible missing angles. How do mathematicians plow fields? With a protractor. Alright, here is the second version of law of sines. This time you'll notice it's flipped. Sine of the angle is on top, the side is on the bottom. Same thing, but one is more convenient for finding the sides, the other is more convenient for finding the angles. Okay, so in this particular one, if you're looking for the side, it should be on top. That's what the last one was. If you're looking for an angle, that should be on top, and that's what this one is. All right, so it says use the law of sines to find all possible missing angles. So it says in M in O, measure M is 71.7.1 centimeters, O is 4.2 centimeters, and M is a measure of angle O is equal to 6 degrees. Find all possible values of measure of angle M to the nearest tenth of a degree. All right, so again, I'm going to draw a really small triangle because I need space for the work on this. But here's my M, N, O. They gave me 7.1 here. They gave me 4.2 there. And they gave me that O is 6 degrees. Okay. Just like the first problem last time. They gave me two of the sides, but neither of these sides matches up with... What am I talking about? Yeah, it does. I just wrote one of these numbers in the wrong place. 4.2 on O. This doesn't go here. This goes here. Oh, makes much more sense now. Okay, ignore what I was saying a minute ago. All right, so we're going to do sine of angle O, which is 6 degrees, over 4.2 equals sine of our missing angle, which is M, over 7.1. Just like we did for the last one, we're going to go ahead and multiply by what's in the denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides by 7.1. Okay. And then we're going to have sine of M equal to a degree sign there. All right, that's calculator work. I'm going to stick that in my calculator and I'm going to come up with an answer. And so sine of M is equal to 0.177. The number probably continued on, but I stopped at 3 decimals because in the end we're trying to round to the nearest tenth, so 3 decimals should be far enough. To finish this, or at least to do the next part, we're going to take sine inverse. Okay, not to be the same as the reciprocal, but just sine inverse of 0.177. That's going to give me the value that's in quadrant 1. Okay, that's going to give me 10.2. Quadrant 1, we get 10.2 degrees. But now the thing is, we know that sine is positive in more than one angle, in more than one degree quadrant. Sine is also positive in quadrant 2. So in quadrant 2, we're going to take 180 minus the angle we just found, and get our angle for quadrant 2, which our second angle is 169.8 degrees. Okay, so when we get to the end of this, I will show you what you need for each of the quadrants. But for what I'd like you to do now is go ahead and try number 6. Similar idea, get your answer, and then click continue to see if you did it right. Okay, so hopefully, draw yourself a little picture. We have sine of 22 over 400, sine of u over 410. We can multiply both sides by 410 to get sine of u by itself. We can stick 410 sine 22 over 400 in our calculator and get 0.84 or 0.384. We're going to do sine inverse of 0.384. Again, making sure our calculators are in degrees. We should get 23, maybe something. It rounds up to 23 because it says round to the nearest degree. We take, again, it's sine, so we take 180 minus 23 and we get 154. And so then those are two answers. All right, so that is how we use law of sines to find all possible missing angles.